Today in social studies, we are going to continue talking about different parts of geography. Remember, geography is the study of our planet, its land, water, and people. The geography of a community is important to the people who live there. Geography affects how the people live, work, and play. Today, we are going to talk about rivers and lakes, oceans and islands. Let's start with rivers and lakes. Rivers bring water to farms, towns, and cities. Some rivers flow right through communities. Rivers can also connect communities. People and goods can travel on rivers. Lakes are bodies of water with land all around them. Rain, rivers, and melting snow bring water to lakes. Lakes can be big or small. Lots of people like living near lakes and rivers. They can go fishing, swimming, and boating. Do you live near a river or lake? After I read to you the two sections, rivers and lakes and oceans and islands, I am going to show you some pictures of islands from right here in Michigan, a big river that's right here in Michigan, and we'll talk about the lakes that are right here in Michigan as well. You have probably been to a lake or a river here in Michigan. We are never too far from one. Oceans and islands. An island is land with water all around it. There are islands in lakes and in oceans. Oceans have salty water. They are the largest bodies of water on Earth. Some islands are small places. They don't have everything that people need. Ships and airplanes bring goods to islands. Have you ever been to an island? Do we have oceans here in Michigan? We don't. All of the water surrounding Michigan and in Michigan is salt-free. There is no salt water. We are not near large bodies of water like oceans. But we are surrounded by plenty of lakes. And some of our lakes do have islands. Maybe you have been to one. The most famous island that we have is Mackinac Island. Maybe you have been to Mackinac Island. It is near the Mackinac Bridge, right near where Michigan's upper and lower peninsula are. The Mackinac Bridge connects the upper and lower peninsulas. You can get to the Mackinac Island on a ferry. Maybe you have been to Mackinac Island. Maybe you know that there are no cars on Mackinac Island. To get around, you have to ride a bike, take a horse-drawn carriage, or walk. This is an island, and it is in Lake Huron in Michigan. It is an island because it is completely surrounded by water. It is in a lake, a very large lake. Here are some more islands in Michigan. These are in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. They are also in Lake Huron. These are called the Les Chenaux Islands. They are smaller islands. You can stop and visit them. By boat or kayak. But there is not a whole lot to do on them unless you want to hike or explore. In Michigan, one of the rivers we have is the Grand River. It is the longest river in Michigan. The Grand River runs right near us in Lansing. I have a map of Michigan, and the blue that you can see is everywhere that the river flows in Michigan. You can see it starting right where the green is and stopping just south of Jackson. And then the picture is actually the Grand River flowing through Lansing, Michigan, which is right near us. There are plenty of places in Michigan where you can see the Grand River. Lansing, and maybe you have been to downtown Grand Rapids and seen the Grand River as well. People fish in it too. Michigan is known as the Great Lakes State. Michigan, the shape, is carved out by 4 of the Great Lakes: Lake Superior, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Michigan. The only Great Lake that doesn't touch Michigan is Lake Ontario. These are the Great Lakes. There are 5 of them: Lake Huron, Lake Ontario, Lake Michigan, Lake Erie, and Lake Superior. Maybe you have been to one of these lakes. All of these lakes are on the coast of Michigan or surround Michigan. But Michigan has over 11,000 inland lakes right on the inside of Michigan. Maybe you have been to one of those. Now, let's review some geography vocabulary words. This is an island. An island is land with water all around it. These are mountains. Mountains are the tallest kind of land on Earth. This is a valley. A valley is a low place between mountains. This is a plain. Plains are large areas of flat land, usually covered in grass. This is a desert. A desert is land that is hot and dry. This is a lake. A lake is a body of water with land all around it. This is a river. A river is a body of fresh water that moves through land. Fresh water means that there is no salt in it. This is the ocean. Oceans are the largest bodies of water on Earth. Have you ever been to the ocean? If you've been to Florida, maybe you've been in the Atlantic Ocean. If you've been to California, maybe you've been in the Pacific Ocean. Today for your social studies assignment in Seesaw, you are going to look at geography landform pictures. You're going to find the picture that matches each answer, and you're going to write the matching word on the lines. You will notice that there will be certain letters that will have circles around them. You will write the circled letters to solve a riddle.